Starting off this morning with a little bit of a spirited drive because I've got a surprise. Now, some of y'all don't follow my Instagram, but go ahead and follow that sucker, because guess what? Y'all missed a poll. For those of y'all that don't follow it, y'all missed a poll, and it was letting my my followers decide what kind of boost platform we go with. So it appears that that the followers wanted a twin turbo setup. A twin turbo setup. So I went on there and posted, okay, y'all want a twin turbo setup? Y'all can have one. Now guess what? I got them, the twin turbo Hellion Street Sleeper kit. I couldn't pass up on the deal. I was gonna buy new, but I'm saving like $10,000 doing it this way. And it comes with a whole bunch of goodies. So obviously you have your turbos, your turbo blankets, your blow off valve wastegate setup. I got in here the scavenger pump, extra belt, got some headers, some filters. I've got just some hoses and attachments and whatnot. But it doesn't stop there. In here, we've got just some more attachments for the intercooler and whatnot. We've got a boost controller, SCT. We got the N gauge. As you know, you can't use these anymore to tune if you don't already have a tune with them. And just some extra goodies in here. There's a watt box as well. Super excited to install that on my car once I get this whole ordeal installed in my car. We will be doing oil pump gears as well, so stay tuned for that video. But consider this episode 1 of the, what are we gonna call it? Drop some recommendations in the comment section. But if you haven't already, go ahead and like and subscribe. You're gonna wanna stay tuned for this video and for the upcoming videos. I'm gonna try to get this installed about, hopefully for my birthday next month. The guy I bought it from had it on his car for 2,000 miles. Said it made a little bit north of 1,000 horsepower. So we're just gonna send her to the moon. Just doing a little bit of night driving here for you guys, because I realized a little late. Obviously this is several hours after I did the first bit of the video, but yeah, I kind of realized that I totally just forgot to do, just finish the video. I just showed you guys the Hellion kit. I was just so ready to just cut it off. Yeah, no. I guess from here we're going to talk about like tuning options and everything. So I've decided to go with a Palm Beach tune. That's what I ran for the entire time that I had my other car. They've done my boosted GT and even all of my tunes prior to that, and they did a phenomenal job. That car ran like a bat out of hell. So that's where I'm going with that. We're going to be doing Boundary oil pump gears. I stand by them. They are a super popular brand. All our buddies that have race shops and have built cars and all that jazz, they've all used Boundary, and they've had the same experience. Just a great all-around company. How they're packaged even is awesome, but that's kind of a whole nother tangent. What else we got here? So we got tune oil pump gears, injectors. We're gonna be running the Injector Dynamics 1050s, maybe 1300s, but I don't think I really need all that. I guess we'll see what it does on the dyno or the data logs, and see if it starts running lean or anything like that. But I think we'll be okay. I think we're good. Like 1,300 horsepower with how these Coyotes are, the Gen 3s. So we're gonna do that, and that'll be on the E85, of course. So we're gonna be doing a return style fuel system. More than likely, it's gonna be 4 innovations, probably a stage 3 kit. Just because I'd rather leave room for growth, and the whole thing about don't buy shit twice, like we were talking about in the last video. But yeah, I mean, 4 innovations, stage 3. What else we got here? We're gonna be looking at some bead locks. we're gonna have to do clutches, right? I'm probably gonna go with Vengeance Racing clutches. I spoke to one of the guys over there about it, and he's wanting to put a clutch in this thing. So we're gonna see about pricing and all that, and lay this sucker down. I know you guys are probably already wondering this, but of course I have the MT80 Poo transmission. I don't know how it's gonna hold up, honestly. I'm not really expecting much from it. My last car had a stock clutch, stock trans, and it, made over 900 wheel horsepower, but these D4s apparently are another animal. So I was looking at the Calimer Stage 3. I think I read somewhere that it would hold around 2,000 horsepower. So I kind of made a change of plan there, because I was looking more at the Tremec. I believe it's the TR6060. Not to be confused with the one that's in the GT350 or the Mach 1. That's kind of where I'm at there. What else we got here? Suspension. I am on iBox Sport lines. The only problem with it is, and this was a failure in my research portion. I guess I got confused between that and the Hellion. I mean the Hellhorse kit, because apparently with the Hellion kit, I do have to be careful with my clearances versus the Hellhorse that sits up in front of the or over the subframe, so it doesn't really get affected by speed bumps and everything. And this car's lowered quite a bit, so it might have some troubles there. And I also wanted to add in this video, so like I was talking about earlier, we had a poll on Instagram. So what I'm wanting to do with y'all and my followers and subscribers and everyone watching this video is I'll give a category. Let's say for this video, we're going to be doing beadlocks. So whoever wants to will go down in the comment section, go ahead and let me know what kind of beadlocks they want to see this car have. And then I assume people are going to have repeated recommendations. So I'll take those and what gets voted in more, and I will drop them into the poll on Instagram, so I can have everyone on there decide what they want to see on my car, and I'll pick whoever wins the poll. So for example, the last poll was a twin turbo kit or a Whipple supercharger, and everyone went with the Hellion twin turbo kit. So that's what I went with. But besides that, guys, that's really all this video is. I know I was just kind of blabbering along, but I was just so excited to get this video out. Let you guys know what's going on. I know I didn't post. I've been posting only on my days off, and I just kind of struggling to get videos out right now. I've been so busy, but I'm trying to stay strong for you guys. We just rolled up on 500 subscribers, so that is freaking awesome. Let's if you haven't already, go ahead and like and subscribe. You're not going to want to miss what's coming up on this channel. But I will see you guys next video. Stay tuned for more. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.